Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do exercise 3.4 of trigonometry part 2. So this exercise is depending on factorization and defactorization formulae. See, first question, express the following following as sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. तो यहाँ पे product of trigonometric functions है. So you know formula 2 sin a cos b equals to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So this 2 sin of 4x into cos of 2x. So ये product है, product we want to express into sum or difference of the trigonometric functions. So this is what a, this is b. Okay, 2 sin a cos b sin of a plus b, that is sin of a plus b. ये a है, ये b है, so that is a plus b. 4x plus 2x plus sin of a minus b, that is sin of 4x minus 2x. So this will be what? Sum of two trigonometric functions. So it is sin of 6x plus sin of 2x. So this is expressed as sum of two trigonometric functions. Now let's do this second one. Here, what is the second sub question? Second sub question is 2 sin of 2 pi by 3 into cos of pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2. Here, same formula is applicable over here. 2 sin a cos b. Okay, sin of a plus b, that is sin of 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 2. That is plus. So 2 sin a cos b sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b. So 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2. This will be equal to, that is equal to 0, क्योंकि cos of pi by 2 0 होता है और ये product है. So what is the sin of 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 2, that is equal to, here LCM will be 6, 4 pi plus this 7 pi and plus, see it is 3 pi and this is 4 pi, that is 7 pi by 6 plus sin of, how much it is? LCM is 6, 4 pi minus 3, that is pi by 6. ये होगा sin of pi plus pi by 6, which is minus sin of pi by 6, और ये plus sin of pi by 6, so 0 आएगा. So further, see, we want to express it into sum or difference, so it is expressed as sum of two trigonometric functions. Then next is 2 cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. Third one, 2 cos 4 theta into cos of 2 theta. We apply formula here. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, plus cos of a minus b, that is equal to 2 cos a cos b. So this will be, this is what a and this is b, so 2 cos a cos b, that is equal to cos of a plus b, 4 theta plus 2 theta plus cos of a minus b, which is 4 theta minus 2 theta. this is equal to cos of 6 theta plus cos of 4 theta minus 2 theta, that is 2 theta. Yes, it is expressed as sum of two trigonometric functions. Next question we'll do, that is here 2 cos 35 degree. See, the fourth one is 2 cos 35 degree into cos of 75 degree into cos of 75 degree. Same formula, 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, that is cos of 35 degree plus 75 degree plus cos of 35 degree minus 75 degree, which is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Then so this is what cos of 110 degree plus cos of minus of 40 degree, but cos of minus theta is cos theta, that is equal to cos of 110 degree plus, we will write it as cos of 40 degree. Next is question number 2. See, here it is 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay, so this will be cos of 35 degree plus 75 degree and cos of 35 degree minus 75 degree. So it is cos of 40 degree and this is cos of 110 degree. Next question, that is question number 2. Here, prove the following. We apply formula sin C plus sin D and sin C minus sin D. So let's write here formula sin C plus sin D. What is sin C plus sin D? That is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. C minus D upon 2. Then sin C minus sin D is what? Sin C minus sin D, that is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. So first question is this sine of, see this question number 1, sine of 2x plus sine 2y upon sine 2x minus sine 2y. This is equal to 2 sine C plus D upon 2, that is 2 sine 2x plus 2y upon 2 into cos of C minus D upon 2, that is 2x minus 2y upon 2, yes, whole divided by, here sin C minus sin D is what? 2 cos C plus D upon 2, that is 2x plus 2y upon 2 into sine of C minus D upon 2, that is 2x minus 2y upon 2. So here what we can cancel? 2 cancel कर सकते हैं हम. We will cancel this 2 और ये 2x 2y अपॉन 2x 2y अपॉन 2, यहाँ पे भी 2x 2y अपॉन 2 एंड 2x 2y अपॉन 2. So therefore we will get here sine of x plus y, sine of x plus y upon cos of x plus y, and into sine of x plus y upon cos of x plus y into here cos of x minus y upon sine of x minus y. Yes, this will be equal to what? Sine upon cos, we will write it tan of x plus y into, this is what, cos upon sine, तो क्या होगा? Cot of x minus y. Cot finally we will write as 1 upon tan. So this will be equal to what? Tan of x plus y upon, see, into cot means upon tan of x minus y. So this will be in denominator. So cot is 1 upon tan. So what we want to show here, tan of x plus y upon tan of x minus y. So the right hand side is this, tan of x plus y upon tan of x minus y. Next question is sin 6x here the question is this, sin 6x sin 4x minus sin 2x. See here, second sub question is sin 6x plus sin 4x minus sin 2x minus sin 2x. We want to show it is 4 cos x into sin 2x into cos 3x into cos 3x. So here we group the terms. See, sin 4x and sin 2x. So if we group these two terms, and this 6x we will write as 2 times of 3x, and we have formula sine of 2 theta. What is formula for sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta into cos theta into what? Cos theta. So we use this formula, sine 2 theta is equal to what? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Yes, and here for this we will apply formula. We use here formula sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. So write down LHS is equal to what? Sin 6 will write 2 sin 3x into cos 3x and plus here sin 4x minus sin 2x, sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d upon 2, 4x plus 2x upon 2 into sin of c minus d upon 2, that is 4x minus 2x sin c minus sin d upon 2. So what will be this? 2 sin 3x into cos 3x plus 2 cos 4x plus 2x 6x divided by 2, it is 3x into sine of 4x minus 2x is 2x upon 2, that is x. So from these two terms 2 cos 3x we can take common. तो हम यहाँ पे 2 cos 3x कॉमन लेते हैं. What is left then? Sin 3x बाकी है. Here plus sin x is left. This is equal to 2 cos 3x into sin c plus sin d formula we use here. 2 sin c plus d upon 2, that is 2 sin 3x plus x upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2, that is 3x minus x upon 2. Then this 2 and this 2 will give us 4, so it is 4. Okay, this 2 and 2, 4 cos of 3x into, this is sine of what? 4x upon 2, 2x into cos 3x minus x, 2x upon 2, that is x. So we will write them in this sequence. So this will be equal to 4 times cos of x into sine 2x into cos of 3x, cos 3x, yes, done. That is equal to what? RHS. Here we use formula for the sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, or sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. And again, after taking 2 cos 3x common, we use here sin c plus sin d formula, that is 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. Now let's write next question. Question number 3rd. See here, question number 3rd is sin x. See, third one, sin x minus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 5x minus sin 7x whole upon cos x minus cos 3x minus cos 5x plus cos 7x. Here we want to show it is equal to how much? Cot of 2x. It is equal to what? Cot of 2x. So which term are to be grouped here? देखो here sin x और sin 7x we will group. Sin x minus sin 7x, okay, और plus sin 5x and then minus what? Sin 3x, minus sin 3x. See, the denominator is same, cos x plus cos 7x and plus in the next bracket we will group this. After taking minus sign common over here, यह माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं, सो व्हाट वी विल गेट माइनस साइन कॉमन cos of 3x plus cos of 5x you will get. We use formula sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2, that is x minus 7x upon 2, plus here same formula sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d upon 2, 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is 5x plus 3x upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2, that is 5x minus 3x, which is 2x upon 2 whole divided by denominator same formula 2 cos c plus cos d, that is 2 cos c plus d upon 2 is see cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is x plus 7x upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2 into what cos x minus 7x upon 2 minus here same formula 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is 8x upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. So what is that? 3x minus 5x, which is 2x upon 2. Now let's cancel these 2, ये 2 कैंसिल करो, यहाँ पे 2 कैंसिल होगा, then what is left here cos of x plus 7x 8x मतलब 4x होगा, ये cos 4x into sin of x minus 7x, that is 6 or 2, it is minus 3x plus cos 8x upon 2, that is 4x into sin x 2x upon 2. Here cos x plus 7x 8x divided by 2 4x into cos x minus 7x minus 6 upon 2 minus 3x minus this is cos of 4x और ये cos of माइनस थीटा इज cos थीटा और 2 कैंसिल होके cos x आएगा यहाँ पे. यस, देन व्हाट वी कैन टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम द न्यूमरेटर. न्यूमरेटर में से हम cos 4x कॉमन ले सकते हैं और यहाँ पे sin माइनस 3x विल बी माइनस sin 3x और प्लस आफ्टर टेकिंग cos 4x कॉमन यहाँ पे रहेगा sin x. व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट ओवर हियर sin x. देन डिनोमिनेटर, फ्रॉम डिनोमिनेटर आल्सो विल टेक cos 4x कॉमन, cos 4x कॉमन. देन इट इज cos ऑफ माइनस थीटा इज cos थीटा मतलब cos 3x होगा माइनस टेकिंग cos 4x कॉमन यहाँ पे cos x होगा. Here is cos 4x is getting cancelled. This is equal to sin x minus sin 3x upon cos 3x minus cos x. Apply formula, factorization formula over here. Sin c minus sin d will become 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is 2 cos x plus 3x upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2 x minus 3x upon 2. cos c minus cos d is equal to what? Minus of 2 sin c plus d upon 2, that is 3x plus x upon 2 into sin cos c minus cos d, 2 minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2, that is 3x minus x upon 2. Now let's cancel this 2 or a 2. This is equal to cos of x plus 3x, 4x divided by 2, it is 2x into sin x minus 3x minus 2x upon 2, it is minus x. Here minus sin of 3x plus x, 4x divided by 2, it is 2x into sin of 3x minus x, 2x divided by 2 is x. Then see here, sin of minus x is minus sin x, so we will write it minus sin x into cos of 2x upon denominator negative sign is there already, sin x into sin of 2x, sin of 2x. Now let's cancel this sign or a negative sign. So what is left over there? Cos 2x upon sin 2x upon what? Sin 2x, and which is equal to cot of 2x RHS, which is equal to cot of 2x RHS. Then see this fourth question. Fourth question is sin of 18 sin of cos of 39 degree, sin 18 cos of 39 degree plus sin of 18 degree into cos of 39 degree plus sin of 6 degree into cos of 15 degree, cos of 15 degree. We want to show it is sin 24 into cos 33, sin 24 degree into plus into cos of 33 degree. Fourth question, consider LHS. See here, LHS is equal to multiply and divide by 2 over here, 2 sin of 18 degree into cos of 39 degree plus 2 sin of 6 degree into cos of 15 degree. So what we did here, multiplied or divided by 2 here, so that we can apply formula for product of trigonometric into sum or difference of the trigonometric functions. We apply formula here, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin a cos b. See here, 2 sin a cos b, that is equal to sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Apply formula over here, sin a plus b, that is 18 plus 39 degree plus, see, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, that is 18 minus 39 degree. Then next is 2 sin a cos b, again here sine of a plus b, that is 6 plus 15 degree plus sine a minus b, that is 6 minus 15 degree. Yes, after this it is equal to 1/2 into, see, just add this, okay, it is 57 degree sine of 57 degree plus sine of, see here it is 11 degree, see 21 degree minus 21 degree minus 21 degree plus sine of 21 degree, it is plus sine of minus 9 degree, minus 9 degree. Now this sine 21 degree and sine of minus 21 degree, you know sine of minus theta is equal to what? Sine theta. So 1/2 into sine of 57 degree, this will be minus sine of 21 degree and plus sine of 21 degree, and this is minus sine of 9 degree. So this is getting cancelled, this sine 21 and this sine 21. So what is remaining over there? 1/2 into sine of 57 degree minus sine of 9 degree. We use here formula sin c minus sin d, that is equal to what? 2 cos c plus d upon 2, that is 2 cos 57 plus 9 upon 2 into sin what? Into, see, 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus d upon 2. So it is 57 minus 9 upon 2 this is 2 is getting cancelled. So what is left then? Cos of, here was 66 upon 2, 66 degree upon 2, it will be cos of 66 degree upon 2 into sine of 48 degree upon 2, 48 degree upon 2. This is equal to, reduce this, cos of 33 degree into sine of 24 degree into sine of what? 24 degree. So this is required in the right hand side, sine 24 into cos of 33 degree. So yes, we will do now question number 5 and, okay, see here question number 5 is cos 20, fifth question, cos of 20 degree into cos of 40 degree into cos of 60 degree into cos of 80 degree. We want to show it is equal to how much? 1/16. तो ये हम 3 थीटा फार्मूला से भी कर सकते, और अभी विल डू इट बाय फैक्टराइजेशन एंड डीफैक्टराइजेशन फार्मूले. सो LHS इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 2. तो हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड किया. 2 टाइम्स ऑफ कॉस ऑफ 20 डिग्री इंटू कॉस ऑफ 40 डिग्री, और ये कॉस 60 डिग्री 1/2 होता है. दिस कॉस ऑफ 80 डिग्री एज इट इज, दिस कॉस ऑफ 80 डिग्री एज इट इज. Here this 1/2 and this 1/2 will give us 1/4 into 2 cos A cos B, that is equal to cos of A plus B, A plus B, plus cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, and this into cos of 80 as it is, into cos of 80 degree as it is, which is 1/4 into how much it is, cos of 60 degree, cos of 60 degree plus this is cos of 20 minus 20 degree, full into cos of 80 degree. Then here cos of minus theta is cos theta, cos minus theta is what, cos theta. So what we can write over here, it is 1/4, and this cos 60 degree is 1/2 plus cos of 20 degree into cos of 80 degree. We'll take LCM. यहाँ पे हम LCM लेते हैं. LCM will be what, 2. LCM will be 2. One plus this is what, 2 cos 20 degree. Outside bracket there is a cos of 80 degree. Multiply this cos 80 degree here, and this 4 और 2 ये होगा 1/8. It is cos of 80 degree into 1 plus 2 cos 20 into cos of 80 degree. Yes. Here again we apply formula 2 cos A cos B. What will be 1/8 cos of 80 degree plus 2 cos A cos B, that is cos of A plus B, 20 plus 80 plus cos of A minus B, that is cos of 20 minus 80. See here 2 cos A cos B, will write cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So it is 1/8 into this cos of 80 degree plus cos of 100 degree plus cos of minus 60 degree, then here it is 1/8 into cos of 80 plus cos of 100. Here cos of 80 we can write as cos of 180 minus 100, and we use here cos of pi minus theta formula. What is this cos of pi minus theta? It is equal to minus cos theta. Therefore cos of 80 degree, see here cos of 180 means pi minus 100, so it will be equal to minus cos of 100 degree, minus cos of 100 degree. So we have cos of 80 will be equal to minus cos of 100 degree. So let's substitute over here. यहाँ पे हम substitute करेंगे. Cos of 80 will be equal to what? Minus cos of 100 degree plus cos of 100 degree, or cos of minus theta is cos theta, that is cos of 60 degree. Cos of 60 degree. This is getting cancelled, and what is left over there, क्या बचता है यहाँ पे 1/8 into cos of 60. What is cos of 60? It is 1/2, and finally you are getting 1/16, which is required. Similar example is there, that is question number 6. What we want to show here, sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80 is 3/16. इसको भी हम 3 थीटा के फार्मूला से कर सकते हैं. So let's do by using factorization and defactorization formula. So the question is this: sin 20 degree into sin 60 degree into it is 40 degree, sin 60 degree into sin of 80 degree. We want to show it is equal to 3/16. You know sin of 60 degree. Sin of 60 degree is what? It is √3/2. See here, sin 60 degree is √3/2. Let's write it √3/2. Multiply by 2 or divide by 2 into sin of 20 degree into sin of 40 degree into sin of 80 degree. Sin 60 we wrote here √3/2. This is equal to ये 2 और ये 2 4 √3/4 आएगा यहाँ पे, और ये 2 sin A sin B, that is equal to, see here 2 sin A sin B, that is equal to what? Cos of A minus B, मतलब cos of 20 minus 40, that is A minus B, minus cos of A plus B, which is 20 plus 40, and whole bracket into what? Sin of 80 degree. This is √3/4 into cos of A minus B, that is cos of minus 20, it is minus cos of, ये होगा 60 degree into sin of 80 degree. We'll write it. This sin cos of 60 is what? 1/2. It is √3/4 into ये cos of minus 20 is cos of 20 होगा, और ये it is 1/2 into sin of 80 degree. Multiply it √3/4. Here we take LCM, that is 2 cos 20 minus 1 into sin of 80 degree. Take inside the bracket this √3/8, and here 2 cos 20 degree into sin of 80 degree minus sine of 80 degree. Now 2 cos A sin B is equal to what? 2 cos A sin B. Here root 3 by 8, 2 cos A sin B, that is equal to sine of A plus B, 20 plus 80 plus sine of A minus B, minus sine of sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Minus sine of A minus B. Two cos A sin B is equal to sine A plus B minus sine of A minus B. (20 minus 80), then minus sine of 80 as it is, minus sine of 80 degree as it is. This is equal to root 3 by 8 into, this is sine of 100 degree, sine of 100 degree minus sine of minus 60 degree minus sine of 80 degree. Here sine of minus theta is minus sine theta होता है, ये minus of minus will be plus and it is equal to root 3 by 8 into sine of 100 degree. We'll group this minus sine of 80 degree और ये होगा plus sine of 60 degree. Now we have sine of 80, you can write it as sine of 180 minus 100 degree, and we have sine of pi minus theta, that is equal to sine theta, that is equal to what? Sine theta. तो ये होगा साइन ऑफ 100 डिग्री, that means sine of 80 is equal to sine of 100 degree. So this sine of 80 will be equal to what? Sine of 100 degree, root 3 by 8 sine 100 degree minus the sine 80 is sine 100 degree again, or plus what is the sine of 60 degree is root 3 by 2. This is getting cancelled over here, so it will be root 3 by 8 and this is 0 और ये plus root 3 by 2. It is 3 by 16, root 3 and root 3 3, and this is what? 16, 8 upon into 8 upon 8 into 2, that is equal to 3 by 16. Yes, which is required over there. So this is what the last question of this exercise. Some solved examples are there, so that also we are doing. Here the next is, let's prove this question, that is from the solved example. Question number 3 is what? Example 3 is sine 8x plus sine 2x. We want to prove sine 8x plus sine 2x upon cos 2x minus cos 8x. So here in the right hand side cos 3x is wrote, but we will get here cot 3x. We will get here what? Cot 3x. So we use here formula in the numerator sin c plus sin d, that is equal to what? LHS. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d upon 2. Here sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d upon 2, that is 8x plus 2x upon 2 into cos of c minus d upon 2, 8x minus 2x upon 2. Denominator is sin cos c minus cos d, it is equal to what? 2 sin c plus d upon 2, that is 2x plus 8x upon 2 into sin of d minus c upon 2, that is 8x minus 2x upon 2. Cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin d minus c upon 2. So let's cancel this 2 और ये 8x प्लस 2x अपॉन 2, 8x प्लस 2x अपॉन 2 और साइन है तो ये भी कैंसिल होगा. देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट ओवर हियर? न्यूमरेटर में cos ऑफ 8x माइनस 2x 6x अपॉन 2, 6x अपॉन 2 और डिनोमिनेटर में साइन ऑफ 8x माइनस 2x 6x अपॉन 2. दिस इज इक्वल टू cos ऑफ 3x upon sine of 3x, which is equal to what you are getting? Cot of 3x, right hand side. Yes. So yes dear students, in this video we have completed this exercise 3.4, which is based on factorization and defactorization formula. So thank you for watching this video.